Top foods for thriving with blood type AB. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. The blood type diet, tailored for each blood group, suggests that people with AB blood type can enjoy unique benefits by following a specific dietary plan. This approach emphasizes the importance of consuming foods that are naturally compatible with the AB blood group's genetic makeup, potentially leading to improved digestion, energy levels, and immune system function. For those with AB blood type, dairy is a key component of their diet, but not all dairy products are created equal. Yogurt and kefir, for instance, are highly recommended due to their probiotic content, which can aid in digestion and enhance gut health, making them superior choices for AB individuals. Seafood is a treasure trove of omega-rich options for the AB blood type, offering a plethora of health benefits. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are particularly beneficial, providing essential fatty acids that support cardiovascular health, improve mood, and reduce inflammation in individuals with this blood group. Navigating meats can be tricky for AB group individuals, as their dietary needs are quite distinct. Turkey and lamb are considered ideal due to their compatibility with the AB blood type, potentially aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption while helping to maintain a balanced diet. Vegetarian proteins, such as tofu and legumes, are excellent sources of nutrition for those with AB blood type. These foods not only provide essential proteins, but also contribute to a varied and balanced diet, supporting overall health and well-being without the need for meat. Grains galore await those with AB blood type, where whole and ancient grains shine as nutritional stars. Quinoa, a complete protein, and spelt, known for its digestibility, emerge as top picks. These grains offer a powerhouse of energy without heavy digestion woes. The power of produce cannot be understated for AB types, with an emphasis on alkaline fruits and vegetables to balance bodily pH. Kale, broccoli, and grapes are among the champions, providing essential vitamins and antioxidants that support overall health and vitality. However, when it comes to dairy, AB types face a unique dilemma. While certain products like yogurt and kefir are beneficial, promoting gut health and immunity, others like whole milk can be problematic, potentially hindering digestion and absorption of essential nutrients. When selecting rice for the AB blood type, basmati and brown varieties stand out as the most beneficial. These whole grains offer the perfect balance of nutrients and digestibility, making them an ideal staple for those seeking to support their unique dietary needs. Eggs offer a versatile protein source for individuals with AB blood type. They can enjoy the benefits of both the egg white and yolk, which provide essential amino acids and vitamins. Incorporating eggs into meals enhances nutritional value and supports overall health. Cheese choices for AB blood type should lean towards cultured and more easily digestible options like mozzarella, ricotta, and goat cheese. These selections not only cater to the digestive compatibility of AB types, but also add a variety of flavors and textures to their diet. Nuts are a nutritional powerhouse for the AB blood type, with walnuts and almonds being particularly beneficial. These nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and cognitive function. Incorporating them into the diet adds a crunchy texture and a boost of energy. Selecting the right beans is crucial for those with AB blood type. Lentils, kidney beans, and navy beans are excellent choices, offering high-quality protein and fiber. These beans support digestive health and provide a versatile base for a range of nutritious meals. For individuals with AB blood type, it's essential to sidestep certain grains that can disrupt digestion and hinder nutrient absorption. Wheat, for instance, often poses problems, leading to sluggish metabolism and fatigue. Opting for rice or oatmeal could prove beneficial in maintaining energy levels. Fruits are generally a healthy choice, but those with AB blood type should approach them selectively. Bananas, coconuts, and tropical fruits might not agree with their system, potentially causing digestive issues and discomfort. Instead, focusing on alkaline fruits like grapes and cherries can enhance vitality. Vegetable intake is crucial for a balanced diet, yet not all vegetables are suitable for AB blood types. Peppers, corn, and tomatoes can trigger digestive disturbances, making it advisable to prioritize leafy greens and broccoli, which support gastrointestinal health and provide essential nutrients. Snacking smart is pivotal for sustaining energy and managing hunger for those with AB blood type. Rather than reaching for processed foods or snacks high in sugar, integrating nuts and seeds or sliced vegetables with hummus can offer nutritious alternatives that cater to their unique dietary needs. Beverage choices greatly impact the well-being of individuals with AB blood type. While green tea and water are excellent for hydration and metabolism, caffeinated drinks and alcohol can be detrimental, disrupting sleep patterns and overall health. Opting for herbal teas can be a soothing alternative. Spicing up meals for those with AB blood type doesn't just add flavor but also health benefits. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and ginger, which aids digestion, are perfect examples. These spices not only complement your dishes, but also boost your immune system. When it comes to cooking oils, individuals with AB blood type have a variety of heart-healthy options. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is a great choice, offering benefits for heart health and cholesterol levels. Flaxseed oil is another excellent option, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Natural sweeteners can be a safer alternative to refined sugars for those with AB blood type. Honey, not only a natural sweetener but also packed with antioxidants, is ideal. Maple syrup is another beneficial choice, providing minerals like zinc and manganese. Starting the day right for AB blood types means focusing on a breakfast that's both nutritious and balanced. A smoothie made with rice milk, whey protein, and a blend of berries offers a perfect mix of protein, carbs, and antioxidants to kickstart the morning. For midday meals, AB blood types should aim for a combination of lean protein and vegetables. A quinoa salad with mixed greens, chickpeas, and a sprinkle of feta cheese provides a satisfying and nutritious lunch option that's easy to digest and keeps energy levels steady. Dinner for those with AB blood type can be a delightful exploration of flavors. Emphasize a balance of seafood and plant-based proteins, such as salmon paired with quinoa and steamed vegetables. This combination supports digestion and optimizes nutrient absorption for AB individuals. Avoiding common dietary pitfalls is crucial for AB types. One misstep is over-relying on processed foods, which can disrupt gut health. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods to maintain energy levels and support overall well-being. Remember, moderation and variety are key. Combining foods effectively can enhance digestive health for AB blood types. Incorporate alkaline vegetables like kale and spinach with neutral proteins like tofu to create meals that are both nourishing and satisfying. This approach aids in maximizing the nutritional benefits of each meal. Supplementation can be beneficial for AB blood types, especially in areas where their diet may fall short. Consider integrating vitamin C and zinc to support immune function and magnesium to aid in stress management and sleep quality. Always choose high-quality supplements. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.